It is a happy and joyous moment for former Minister of Housing and Infrastructure Development Ronald Chitotela, and this is because he has been discharged of 2 counts of possession of property reasonably suspected to be proceeds of crime. According to the ruling passed by Magistrate Jennifer Walia, Chitotela has been set free on grounds that the immunity granted to him was still in force arising from the settlement agreement with the Anti-Corruption Commission. Mr. Chitotela has told Diamond News that he has been vindicated.
Justice has prevailed, but I want to speak to my friends in the investigations and in the investigative wings of government that please investigate the crime. Don't fight Chitotela. The past happenings clearly demonstrates that they have got things against me, because there is no way they would even wish to open the case that was closed by themselves in 2019. Surely that tells you there's something wrong, or something somewhere is not adding up, because if truly they were to fight corruption, they should have established a case before arresting me.
He says he is yet to make a decision whether or not to take legal action against the commission.
We are reviewing the subject with my lawyers. I think we'll be sitting down tomorrow to look at what we can. But I'm a Christian. I am a Christian. That principle you don't take away from me. I'm a devout Christian, but I want to hear from the legal team, because they've been phoning me. They want to sit down with me. And I also hear from the church, and I'll hear from my family members. I don't want to say anything before I'm guided by the church.
But the Anti-Corruption Commission says it will appeal against the discharge.
The Anti-Corruption Commission will appeal the decision of the Magistrates Court following a ruling to discharge former Minister of Housing and Infrastructure Development and current Member of Parliament for Pambashe constituency, Honorable Ronald Chitotela, from 2 counts of possession of property reasonably suspected to be proceeds of crime. While the Commission respects the decision of the court to hold that the accused person is immune from being prosecuted based on a settlement agreed and signed with the Commission in 2019, the Commission is totally dissatisfied with this decision.
And meanwhile, the Anti-Corruption Commission has seized a property in Chongwe, Silver Rest area allegedly belonging to former Minister of Gender, Elizabeth Piri. Commission spokesperson Queen Chiwe says the said property was intended for a clinic, but Ms. Piri is alleged to have acquired it corruptly.
We found out that this particular property was corruptly acquired by Mrs. Piri, and so we have seized it as a commission, and as such the matter is under investigation. So the seizure is part of the process of the investigation that we are carrying out at the moment. We also found out that this particular piece of property, which is on plot number 23202M here in Silver Rest, was designated to be a clinic, a public clinic, which was supposed to provide health services to members of Silver Rest area here in Chongwe, but apparently it was acquired by the said Mrs. Piri in a manner that was contrary to Section 34, subsection 1 of the Anti-Corruption Act number 3 of 2012.
3 weeks ago, ACC warned and cautioned Mrs. Piri, but efforts to get her comment have proved futile as her phone was constantly engaged. Victoria Kayeye Yambani, Diamond News.